Hello guys, this is me Eugene, and today I'd like to talk to you about some things you can find in your kitchen. First of all, let's get started with a fork. This is a fork. We use it to eat some meat or fish or vegetables, for example. Then we have a teaspoon. This is a tool that we, for example, take sugar with and put it into your coffee and then stir it, for example. Yes, you just can eat a cake with it. Well, just a teaspoon. Then we have a tablespoon. It's a bit bigger spoon. We use it for eating, for example, soups, or as we say, borscht, okay? Soups, for example. Then we have a bigger spoon. This is called a ladle, okay? We use this ladle to serve soups or stew or something like that. Just a ladle, you see? Ladle. Then we have a knife. This is, guys, a knife. It can be sharp or it can be blunt. But if it is blunt, we need to sharpen our knife on a grindstone or a special device which is called knife sharpener. Okay, we can just make it sharp by sharpening this knife on a grinding stone or with the help of a knife sharpener. Okay, well, we use this knife to cut something, okay, or to chop something, or you can slice bread or lemon, for example. Or you can peel some vegetables like a potato or a beetroot or a carrot, okay, you just can peel them. Then we have a spatula. I guess it's clear. You can, for example, turn your meat, when you fry meat on a frying pan, for example, and you need to turn it, you can use this spatula. Well, this device is called spatula. Then we have a mallet, meat mallet, or just a hammer, okay? You know what we use it for? Yeah? We can hammer our meat. We can just tenderize our meat. Yeah, this is called tenderizing, yeah? Sometimes it is also called a tenderizer. Then we have a vegetable peeler. That's like a knife, but kind of special type of a knife. We can just peel vegetables with the help of this peeler. Then, guys, we have chopsticks. I think you all know what these are, okay? We can use them to eat some sushi. They're called chopsticks. Well, then we have a bottle opener. With the help of this bottle opener, you can open bottles with this side, you see, and you can open some tins with this side. So basically, you can open some tins, or you can open some bottles. Then we have a corkscrew. This tool is used to pull cork out of a bottle. You know, you have a bottle of wine, and in the neck of it, you have like a piece of thick material which is called cork. It's similar to wood. Well, and we use it to cork the bottle. And to uncork the bottle, to open it, we use this cork screw, okay? Then we have a grater. Yeah, this device is called a grater. And then we can, for example, take a carrot, you know, and we can grate on this grater, okay? We can grate vegetables on this grater. Well, a pretty useful device. Then we have a cutting board. This is a cutting board on which you can chop some meat or vegetables. You can slice some food, okay, on this cutting board. You just can cut something in it. Guys, hope you understood everything. If you have any questions, let me know and you'll get the answer. See you next time. Bye.